How do temperature and vibrations affect NDT accuracy? Imagine trying to take a clear photo in a room with flickering lights or a shaky camera. That's similar to what happens during non-destructive testing when temperature or vibrations interfere. These factors can make it harder to spot flaws or measure accurately. Starting with temperature, it changes how materials behave and how testing methods work. In ultrasonic testing, for example, temperature differences along the test object can bend or deflect the sound waves. This means the flaw might look in a different spot or appear larger or smaller than it really is. When the material or equipment heats up, the speed of sound inside it changes. This can cause the ultrasonic images to distort, leading to errors. To fix this, technicians often adjust the testing settings based on the temperature, which can cut errors by more than half. But even with these adjustments, some distortion can still happen. Temperature also causes materials to expand or contract. This change in size can throw off measurements if not accounted for. For example, if a metal part heats up and expands, a measurement taken before heating might no longer be accurate. That's why controlling the environment's temperature or compensating for these changes is so important in precise inspections. In liquid penetrant testing, temperature impacts how the dye or penetrant flows and evaporates. When it's hot, the penetrant flows more easily and evaporates faster. This can make flaws more visible if the dye gets into tiny cracks. But if it gets too hot, the penetrant might dry out too quickly, hiding flaws. On the flip side, cold temperatures slow down flow, making it harder for the dye to seep into small cracks, which could lead to missed flaws. Vibrations are another challenge. They create noise and instability during testing. When equipment or sensors shake, it can cause blurry or inconsistent data. In ultrasonic testing, vibrations can mess with the timing of sound pulses, making flaw detection less reliable. Vibrations are especially common outside controlled environments, like in the field. To get better results, technicians often stabilize equipment using damping mounts or conduct tests in calmer settings. Understanding how temperature and vibrations influence NDT accuracy is key to avoiding mistakes. If these factors aren't managed, flaws might go unnoticed or false signals could appear. This could lead to unexpected failures or unnecessary repairs. By controlling temperature and reducing vibrations during testing, we can be more confident in the results. This helps in better failure analysis and prevents mechanical breakdowns, keeping products safe and reliable.